Welcome to the show. We are here to share some good information to you in regard to immigration or income tax, any kind of services, especially immigration, income tax, real estate, and so on. But today, I'm here to share three important information, which is three big changes in immigration right now. Yes, first thing I'm going to share with you, you see, US citizenship and immigration services. Fee schedule changes. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Fee schedule changes. First thing to know, those fees are not enforced yet. Why? Because a lot of non-profit organizations like clinic and other organizations, they ask USCIS to extend the deadline or to extend the comment period before those fees are enforced. Those fees should be enforced last year, 2019, but they keep extending that. They close it, and right now, USCIS reopened that on January 24 and extended right now to February 10 until they get all the comments they want before they make the changes in regard to the service you might need. Let's see what's going on right now. Let's see the current price right now and the next fees when those change come in place. Let's see what's going on right now. Right now, as you see, if you wanna become a naturalization or if you wanna apply for naturalization, you see the current price right now, 725. All right, you see 725. The proposed fees right now is 1170. You're gonna see the difference you're gonna pay. You see, that's the difference you're gonna pay. Let's say you wanna apply to adjust your status right now. You're gonna see the price right now, 1225. The proposed fees, 2195, and so on. Like DACA recipient, fee waiver, asylum, you see all of that. Asylum right now is zero, and the proposed fee, $50 right now. And the last one is fee waiver. You pay nothing for the fee waiver because fee waiver means you cannot afford to pay for this form or this service. You ask USCIS, telling them what's going on in your financial situation. You cannot, and they waive the fee. Right now, they're gonna remove that for a lot of benefits, especially those you cannot apply for fee waiver due to the benefits when the proposed fees take in. D'accord? Right now, just proposal. They're not enforced yet. But I give you an idea how it's gonna be if they change it in the future. What does that mean? Or what I can encourage you. My friends, if you plan to do something, I encourage you to do it right now. If you plan to do something like become a US citizen, like adjust your status, like apply for asylum, whatever you want to do right now, if I were you, I do it right now for a lot of reasons. Not only to save money, but also to prevent bad situation. Money talks. That's why money talks. If you can save a penny, which is good for you, but let's say right now to apply for to adjust the status, you should pay 1225. Oh no, I don't have money right now. Let me wait for another 2 months, another month, and then you're gonna pay 2195. You lost. You're gonna lose money. 970. Be careful. If I were you guys, I'm doing something right now. Whatever you plan to do, whatever you plan to do, if I were you, I do it right now. Number two. Now, I'm going to share with you, I'm talking about the TPS people. I don't care where you come from, but their goal is to inform you what best option or what's going on. The TPS people, I'm going to show the state. You can see the state. If you live there, it's gonna be easy for you to get your green card. All right. Why I mentioned this to you? The reason I mentioned this to you is that in the past, when you have your TPS, as long as you go out the country and you come back, immigration takes that as a new arrival, meaning they don't care about how you came in the past. They focus on the new status and they give you the green card easily. Right now they said no, they don't care. They don't care if you go out the US many times. They consider the first time you came into the US. If you came in without inspection, without a visa, whatever, they said they're gonna consider the status you came in before. That's why the TPS you got right now, they don't care about it if you go outside. But the good news is that some states, as long as you have TPS, even though you did not travel outside the US, they consider your case. Let's see what states are there. Here, those states, if you live there, it's gonna be easy for you to get your green card, even though immigration doesn't care. Look at them: Kentucky, Michigan, Ohio, Tennessee, Alaska, Arizona, California, etc. And so on. You see, if you live there, it's gonna be easy. Play smart. And number three, what I'm going to show you right now is about public charge. In the past, immigration did not care about credit score or credit report, but right now they do care. Right now, immigration really cares about those. They're gonna focus on that. Like, to be a public charge, immigration says that you depend on the government. Food stamp, SSI, Section 8, and so on. As long as you become a public charge, that's impossible to get your green card. That's the reason I'm telling you right now. You have to be careful. If you have food stamps right now, SSI, whatever you get, if you don't have your green card yet, if I were you, my friends, say you don't want them. Please stay away from food stamps. Same way right now, before they give you your green card, even though your wife, your husband, your son, your daughter applies for you to adjust your status, you're gonna pay attention to your credit score. That's the reason before they did not care about credit score, like I said, but right now they do. Look at this. USCIS will consider an applicant's credit report, credit score, debt, and so on to determine whether the individual is likely to become a public charge. Look at those also. What they're gonna see on your credit report: mortgage, how you pay your bills, can you afford your bills, your car loans, unpaid child support, something like that, unpaid taxes, you owe IRS, credit card debt. No, they're gonna focus on those. Yes, my friend, those things, if you pay attention to those, you pay attention, they're gonna save, not only save you money, but that's gonna prevent you from being in a situation that you do not want to. If you like our service, if you like this info, I'm asking you two things. Please share this video to other people. Subscribe to this channel in order to notify anytime I send another video. Number two, always share those information to somebody else. Somebody who might need those. Please always share those info to somebody who might need this info. Any questions, any comments, please feel free to contact us at the numbers below. If you need our service in Orlando or anywhere in the US, call us or stop by. All right? Stop by, set up an appointment, we're gonna serve you. Either Mr. Gesnyh or me, the same thing, we're gonna serve you guys. My team is here to serve you. Don't forget this. Anything I said, it's not legal advice. If you need legal advice, just see a lawyer. If you have any comments, any suggestions, anything you wanna share, please feel free to do so. And then don't forget, never ever forget this. Jesus is coming back soon. No matter what you have done in your life, Jesus still loves you. See you next time for the next video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.